YouTube, another video. Hey guys, let me just say, appreciate all the subscribers, I appreciate the likes and the comments, and I love hearing from you guys. Just wanted to do a quick video here about the Dirt Devil Power Max. We were using it, and it just all of a sudden kind of quit working. It just shut off while we were using it, and we weren't sure what was going on. Thought maybe it blew a fuse or something in the house, and apparently that's not the case. The reason it quit on us is because there's a thermal protector in there. We were using it out on our porch. It has kind of a rug on it, and it's a pretty good workout for this vacuum. And it's like 100 degrees out right now, so it must have gotten a little hot. There's a thermal protector in there that shuts it down to keep it from starting on fire, obviously. But yeah, that's just a quick video. I wanted to let you guys know that don't freak out that your vacuum just quit. If it isn't a fuse in the house or something like that, it's just the thermal protector on this Dirt Devil here, and I'm sure that applies for other models as well. So, hey, quick video. Thanks, guys.